Hello vac fans. Today in the sand and the carpet test we have a Hoover Windtunnel Max. This has 47 CFM at the nozzle as measured on my airflow box, and from the hose up here I get 82 inches of water lift, and that's with all the filters in. Now let's take a closer look at this brush roll. I have no idea how it's going to do, but this is a helix design, and the bristles, see if I can get real close, are very tall and very stiff. And again, you can see if it picks up sand, it's going to constantly move it over and over and over to try to get into this intake right here. Well, at least from this side. I mean, as you're moving it, you can see how it's going to move into here, but then after there's, say, larger particles over here, I suppose what it has to do is bounce them into this area and hope this intake ends up sucking them in over this way. Because the way that this brush roll spins, everything kind of goes in this direction, and once it passes this nozzle, it kind of still wants to take the dirt and point it that particular direction. So this side might not necessarily pick up as well as, say, even way over here. Alright, we put the rug plate back on, and here's a better view of the power nozzle going all the way up to the top here. I think this is actually a pretty good looking machine, and I do like the color of it. Kind of nice. Combinations of like red and that kind of like teal color and so on and so forth. We have this set to medium right in the middle for a medium pile carpet pickup. And if you remember, you can take a look at my other tests where it does say flour, and it does various surface tests, you know, carpet, concrete, so on and so forth. Didn't really do all that well, especially with deep cleaning, because the CFM just isn't that much. 47 isn't that bad, but I'm wondering, with this very aggressive brush roll, if maybe we'll have a good sand test. Well, let's find out. Okay, we got 100 millimeters of sand out of our calibrated straw. Let's make it disappear. And we'll do our 10 full cycles. And being bagless, it's going to be pretty easy to see what we get. Alright, a quick look. Not so much on this side. Looks like it's kind of all going in the back. But we have some. There it is. Looks like something's kind of bunched up right there. Alright, so stop the camera and I'm going to put it on the paper. See how she does. Okay, so I've gotten most of the sand separated from the bonus material in there. And let's see what it looks like when I put it back into the straw. Okay, well, the Windtunnel Max looks like it actually does something fairly well. But if you see down here, there's a dirt line in there. And I'm going to try to go, right now we're reading about 54 millimeters. I'm going to go and re-separate out more dirt that's sitting right around there. And it's probably going to be a little bit lower than that. But initially we're looking at about 54. So this Windtunnel Max with low airflow but a very aggressive brush roll finally does something pretty well. So this is like, I'll say, result step 1. Let me go back and see if I can separate more of the dirt out. So that's going to lower the final result down a little bit. Okay, after doing a better filtering job of getting some of the dirt out, we're looking at a final result of 52 millimeters or 52%. So that being the case, now I definitely can confirm while Hoover called this the max. It's not because of airflow or suction, although the suction is pretty good. I measured 84 at the hose, as I mentioned earlier. That's really fantastic for a bagless machine. It's not Dyson level, but it's good for something inexpensive like this. And for picking up grit that's ground deep into the carpet, this does a great job. Think near Kirby levels. That's really wonderful performance, and it blows away any of my Dysons. I have a 14, a 25, and a 65, and this easily exceeds any of those. So thanks for watching. What do you think? Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.